Bay Windows. The Villages replacement delivers a strong home window upgrade for properties needing better style, light, and performance. The Villages homeowners choose often combine custom bay windows, modern bay window designs, and precision window measurement for a tailored fit. A trusted local window replacement company can handle residential window replacement, house window replacement, and window installation services with weatherproof window sealing and insulated window units that improve comfort year-round. The Villages window contractors provide bay window installation and full-frame replacement for aging homes, remodels, and additions. From the Villages Florida window replacement services to the Villages Sumter County window replacement, local crews install vinyl bay windows, double pane bay windows, and triple pane bay windows for stronger efficiency and durability. Whether the project requires new construction windows or a bay window retrofit, skilled window replacement contractors can manage every step with accurate measurements and professional finish work. Energy-efficient bay windows are a smart choice for the Villages' energy-efficient window replacement projects because they support better indoor temperature control and reduced utility costs. Options such as low-E glass windows, noise-reducing windows, and insulated bay windows. The Villages help create a quieter and more comfortable home. The Villages low-E residential windows and the Villages double-pane window upgrade services are ideal for homeowners who want performance, value, and attractive curb appeal in one solution. Bay window installation in the Villages, Florida should begin with precision window measurement and a complete evaluation of the existing opening. Experienced home window installers can determine whether window frame replacement, window sash replacement, or full frame replacement is the best option. For homes with damaged units, broken bay window installation and replacement window glass service can restore function quickly. The Villages window frame installation professionals also help prevent air leaks, water intrusion, and future structural issues. The Villages custom home window solutions often include the Villages patio and bay window replacement for living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and enclosed sun spaces. Custom bay windows can be designed to match architectural style while improving outward views and natural light. The Villages custom bay windows, the Villages new bay window installation, and the Villages insulated bay windows work well for homeowners looking to upgrade older windows with a sleek appearance and lasting performance from reliable window installation services. Vinyl bay windows remain a popular choice for the Villages vinyl window replacement because they offer low maintenance, dependable insulation, and strong value. For homeowners comparing materials, vinyl bay windows and energy-efficient bay windows are often preferred over outdated single-pane units. The Villages' affordable window replacement options make it easier to complete residential window replacement without sacrificing quality. A qualified local window replacement company can recommend the right frame style, glass package, and finish for each property. The Villages replacement window glass service is essential when cracks, fogging, or seal failure affect visibility and comfort. Replacement window glass can improve older bay units without replacing the entire structure, while window sash replacement may be enough for certain damaged sections. For larger renovations, bay window retrofit and house window replacement can create a more efficient and updated result. The Villages Florida bay window retrofit services are especially useful for older homes needing modern upgrades. Triple pane bay windows provide advanced insulation for homeowners who want maximum comfort and improved energy performance. The Villages triple pane bay windows and the Villages energy-efficient window replacement services can reduce drafts and support better sound control in busy neighborhoods. Pairing low-E glass windows with weatherproof window sealing creates a tighter building envelope, while insulated window units help maintain steady indoor temperatures during Florida heat and humidity. The Villages Lake County window contractors and the Villages Marion County bay windows specialists can support projects throughout surrounding areas with dependable window replacement contractors and experienced installers. From the Villages home window installers to the Villages window contractors, local pros handle bay window installation, window frame replacement, and residential window replacement with attention to detail. Homeowners seeking the Villages local window replacement company support benefit from convenient service and proven craftsmanship. Modern bay window designs can transform a facade while improving interior space, making bay window replacement one of the most valuable home upgrades available. The Villages bay window installation services often include custom bay windows, vinyl bay windows, double pane bay windows, and low-E glass windows to match style and performance goals. For homeowners searching for bay windows, the Villages solutions, the Villages residential window replacement and the Villages window replacement contractors offer tailored results with lasting curb appeal. Bay windows. The Villages homeowners choose often start with precision window measurement, custom bay windows, and modern bay window designs that match the style of a Florida home. The Villages custom home window solutions can include bay window installation, bay window retrofit, and house window replacement for projects that need a fresh look and better performance. The Villages local window replacement company options also provide window installation services, full frame replacement, and new construction windows for a smooth fit and a clean finish. The Villages energy-efficient window replacement can improve comfort with energy-efficient bay windows, insulated window units, low-E glass windows, noise-reducing windows, and weatherproof window sealing. The Villages low-E residential windows and the Villages insulated bay windows are popular upgrades for reducing heat transfer and helping indoor temperatures stay consistent. Homeowners searching for the Villages double pane window upgrade or the Villages triple pane bay windows can also benefit from better insulation, lower utility costs, and improved curb appeal. The Villages window contractors handle residential window replacement contractors, window frame replacement, and window sash replacement with attention to detail. The Villages window frame installation, broken bay window installation, and replacement window glass service options are ideal when only part of the window system needs work. For homes needing a stronger upgrade, the Villages Florida window replacement services can include vinyl bay windows, the Villages vinyl window replacement, and durable insulated bay windows that perform well in year-round sun and humidity. The Villages bay window installation is a strong choice for homeowners wanting more natural light, better views, and added character. The Villages new bay window installation, the Villages bay window retrofit, and the Villages patio and bay window replacement services can transform living rooms, dining areas, and front-facing spaces. Custom bay windows, vinyl bay windows, double pane bay windows, and triple pane bay windows all support a tailored home window upgrade that improves style and function. The Villages Florida bay window retrofit and the Villages affordable window replacement options make it easier to upgrade older windows without sacrificing quality. The Villages Sumter County window replacement, the Villages Lake County window contractors, and the Villages Marion County bay windows services give local homeowners access to experienced installers for precision window measurement, weatherproof window sealing, and bay window replacement. The Villages home window installers can also help with residential window replacement window glass, and modern bay window designs that fit both traditional and contemporary homes. The Villages window contractors can recommend energy-efficient bay windows, the Villages low-E glass windows, noise-reducing windows, and full-frame replacement when the goal is a long-lasting upgrade. The Villages residential window replacement projects often combine bay window replacement, window installation services, and house window replacement for a complete result. Whether the need is the Villages bay window installation, the Villages custom bay windows, or the Villages replacement window glass service, the right solution delivers better performance, better appearance, and better value.